Cesun just gifted me this step trash can, so let's unbox it and check it out. Now here's exactly what you get. It's this great, very clean, slim trash can, perfect for those tight little spaces. It has a handle on the back, so it's easy to pick up when needed. And then it is just a step can. And when you step, it's going to shoot up immediately. And what I love is that it's not a loud clang, and it is plastic, so even if there is something it hits, it's not going to make those loud clang noises. And then when you let go, it's going to soft close. So that is really, really nice. And on the inside, you'll see that it has an interior liner. I will not get a trash can that doesn't have an interior liner, as this helps keep the can so much cleaner, and it makes it easier for me to bag it and keep that bag hidden within the can. Just makes everything look better. And it comes with 5-liter trash bags to start you off. So you can get more of these from Cesun, or these are 13.4 by 16.1 inch trash bags. So let's check one of these out. And I like putting the rest of the bags in the bottom so they're ready for next time. And then we'll just open this up. And it is a nice clean bag, quite sturdy, definitely will hold up well. I'm thinking for a bathroom, this would be ideal. And on the liner, you will notice it has this hole in the back. That's so if you were using different trash bags that you could tuck in the excess there so it holds on really tight. Since these bags are perfectly designed for this liner, I just stuck it on and it worked perfectly. And all I'll do is pop this in. And with the bag in, the close is even softer, super, super smooth. It just captures it a little bit more so it's silent. Really, really clean overall. I can't wait to put this to use in my home. I think you're gonna love it as well.